Ronan. Hey, it's a book. It's a cow. Push it. Yeah. What else you got, buddy? There. That one's you, baby. What's in here? Oh. Well, there you go. Daddy got it started. What's in here? Goes for what he can see. Yeah, that's a D later. Dad's got something for you. Look, buddy, look. Ronan. I think there's a gogie in there. Can you get him out? Look what Daddy has. Help him open it. Buddy. Merman. He does not yet know the tradition of Christmas. No. He goes there somewhere. Hey, Ronan. Ronan, I've got a gogie, buddy. Ghost? Daddy has a ghost. You gotta get it out, though. You want a ghost? Ghost? What's in here? It's right there, look. What's in there? Get him on out of there, buddy. Thank you. What is that? Gogie. Oh, it is too big for him to pick up. What is that, baby?
Gogie.
What is that?
Gogie.
It's Gogie.
Gogie.
Yeah. Yeah, you can hold that ghost, buddy. I knew I should have waited at the bottom. Yeah.
Gogie.
That's Gogie. That's right, buddy. Oh. Aw, are you happy about that ghost?
I think he likes it.
I think he likes it.
Gogie.
Goga. I almost weighted the bottom. I wish I had.
Hey, Ronan, what's in here?
Hey, what's in there? That's for you too, buddy.
Hey, Ronan.
Here, I'll take Gogie. Here, I'll keep an eye on Gogie. He'll come sit with me.
Ronan.
Look what Daddy has.
Ronan.
Daddy has something else for you. I knew Ghost should have been last.
I figured it'd be easiest to open.
they're sewn on so tight.
Yeah.
I think he likes the ghost.
I think he does too.
All right, buddy.
Alright, look at this. Look at this. Ronan. Ronan. Ah, Ronan.
Buddy.
Ronan.
Ronan. He just wants
Ronan,
Gogi.
what's in here?
Ronan.
Ronan, look. What's in here?
Gogi.
Alright, well, Christmas is over. He got what he wanted.
We can just save everything else for next year. I knew Gogi should have been last.
Wait, might as well stop it.
I was gonna say I have a pause somewhere.
How does one open this?
I don't know. It's your present. You figure it out. It's only like this because I had to wrap it right in front of you.
Oh, awesome. Got some new computer speakers.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I wanted.
I got the coolest looking ones.
PC Mac.
Be grateful.
Awesome. Thank you, Abby.
You're welcome, baby. Ronan! Ronan's totally checked out on Christmas. Let's see.
I get one more, then you can have yours, and then I get the last one.
Okay. This one with the blue bow is yours.
Purple bow?
Or whatever. Ronan's totally checked out on Christmas.
Of course. He got a Gogi.
He's done. Well, he put Gogi in the window and then took off.
Oh. Kind of contraption.
You know, regular.
Regular.